Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Herrerasaurus in the Isle. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Open your dinosaur's status by pressing tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see the preferred food for Herrerasaurus. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here, you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, you can match it with nearby food sources that suit your dinosaur's diet. You can also use your scent ability to track key points on the map by holding Q. If you see this icon, it's called the migration zone. This is where increased food sources for herbivores are located. Migration zones are useful because you can stalk prey, strike quickly, and retreat before they can react. Use stealth and positioning to survive as a juvenile and grow into an adult. It relies on mobility, surprise attacks, and quick disengagement rather than prolonged fights. Herrerasaurus performs best when striking from unexpected angles. And that's how to play Herrerasaurus in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.